Good morning, students and parents. A very warm welcome to the 2021 IPE Open House. I'm Mrs. Low, Principal of Temasek Junior College. We would have liked to meet you all in person, but in the current situation, that's not possible. We hope that this virtual open house will provide you with as good an introduction to our beloved college, convince you of the excellent people and programs we have, and encourage you to be part of our TJC family. We are a 44-year-old institution that takes pride in our rich traditions, high standards, and our excellent outcomes. Our students join us at IP1 and IP3 for the 6- and 4-year integrated program respectively. Students also join us at JC1 through the joint admission exercise after their GCE O-levels. Regardless of their entry points, our students thrive and succeed in and beyond their college years. As recently as in the 2020 GCE A-level examinations, our IP students outdo themselves, producing an excellent set of results. More than 1 in 5 of our IP students achieved a perfect university admission score of 90 points. The median university admission score was 86.3, while the mean university admission score was 84. And for the 2020 project work results released this week, 8 in 10 of our current IP6 students scored distinction. Our IP students also excel at the GCE O-level Mother Tongue and Higher Mother Tongue examinations. In 2020, 6 in 10 of the IP4 cohort scored a distinction. We are just so happy for our students and their families because we know that a good set of results will open doors to the universities and university courses of their choice. We know that resilience, ambition, respect, care for their family, and teamwork that went into our students trying their best builds character and will serve our students well in the future. What is very significant too is that not only do our students try their very best and excel academically, they also do well in sports and the performing arts. They show so much talent and commitment in everything they do, from taking part in various competitions, speaking confidently at TEDx TJC, championing courses passionately, making ice cream in the science lab, to playing a range of musical instruments and even developing phone apps. I'm especially proud of the fact that my students are exceptionally kind and compassionate. Many of them have initiated projects to reach out to the community, and many continue to serve the community beyond their years in college. Guided by inspiring and dedicated tutors, our students discover their intellectual and creative voices. Our students are prepped well for the future because we do it right by our students. Please find out more about our college. Check out our stretch and support programs, get a glimpse of our happy and vibrant student life, and discover the many enriching experiences that await you. Discover for yourself why our students make us the junior college with the best set of value-added A-level results each year. Find out also what our students have to say about their TJ experience and how this is an educational home for a lively, curious and talented community of students and tutors. I wish you a very enriching visit to our E-Open House. Thank you.